Hi guys, so this is the review on the Windows Surface RT. So this is the home lock screen. You just push up and it's gone. So this is the main dashboard, or whatever you'd like to call it. It's the actual start menu, basically. So you got all your apps on here, and you got everything you like. You got camera, so you got camera here. Got all your Word and PowerPoint. Then here you can have your games and stuff you've downloaded. So effectively it's a computer and a gaming tablet, or whatever tablet you like really, all in one. Here you can have all your little shortcuts to things which you can't get on a computer, so it's sort of good. So you got the main things on here. The tablet itself you can connect to your Xbox. So here you have the smart glass, that's what you use to connect to your Xbox. You just have to have a connection, so an internet connection or cellular data, whatever you have. So this is it with the keyboard on. Dead easy to take the keyboard off, you just pull. There you go, it's off again. So let's take a look at it now. So if I put my finger here and I slide out a bit, I've got this menu here. I've got search, share, start, devices and settings. These are all shortcuts to whatever you might like. To share, you might want to share a picture, or search, you might want to search something like an application, or you got like little shortcuts of all your apps here and stuff. So that's what you can do on that. So you can go back to your home screen using that button there, or either the start button on the keypad, as you'll be able to see later. So you got devices if you want to connect to something. Settings also pops up here. Time, date, and also connections and battery. Sorry, put my fingers in the way. Connections and batteries there. So now we are on the start screen. We can go to desktop and have a look at that. So if I press that, it takes me to a normal desktop which you'd have on your normal computer. And effectively this is, if you are using this as a tablet and you think, I don't want to take my keyboard out, even though it is dead thin and it's just like a case, nothing about it, you can always click here and the keyboard pops up. So you don't have to worry about that. You can move it around and stuff, make it full screen, make it half screen, and close it. So you got all your normal files and stuff like you would on a thing, and you can use this here as a mouse and everything. So it's just like a normal computer really, this bit. You don't really need me to go through that because I'm sure everybody's used a computer in their life. So and go back to the start screen. This is a very high-tech version of Windows 8 effectively, because it's touchscreen. So you got your photos here, and you got two cameras. You got camera on the back and the camera on the front. You got messaging here, and you can connect your different things, different accounts to that. So I can attach my Messenger account to that, or even your Facebook account. It'll tap into Facebook chat. Here you got games, which yet again is done through Xbox. It just connects, and you got your games here, and you got your game store, and that's where you can purchase all your games, which yet again, it's very good. If I go on to pictures here, or photos, whatever you want to call it, it's very smart. So you got your albums and stuff here, but if I just go on the random ones here, you have all your photos. So this is just camera roll, it's just random pictures that have been taken. We've got store here. This store you can buy apps and games and different things on it. So you got your mail here, shortcut to your mail, so Hotmail, Google, Yahoo, AOL, whatever you like. You got people, if you've got friends, it'll connect to your Xbox to your Facebook, sorry, as well. Got maps here. You got camera, music, video. You got your stock exchanges and stuff here. You can have different let's call them tiles, effectively, which is what they are. You got your Word 2013, Excel 2013, PowerPoint and Evernote 2013. We've got Internet Explorer here. Recommending this Internet Explorer, I would recommend this if you're going out somewhere and you just want to do a quick search. But if you're going to search the web like you'd usually do, I would suggest going there, clicking on that Internet Explorer, because it's far easier than messing around with this one. This one's more of a tablet version. So that's that. So now here we have like Amazon, your Skype, your stupid little games you can have, and you can connect to your Xbox using that smart glass. So you've got different apps. You can have shopping apps, logo quiz, tune-in. You can get your Kindle app, memes generator. You got your account here, so you can sign out, you can lock, you can change account picture. So it's just effectively like having your own laptop, but portable. On the side here of it, there is a USB port here, and in that USB port it's dead easy. You just put a USB in and it'll come up in My Computer, which you have on the side here. You'll have a computer there. So at the moment it just has the storage. This is the 32GB one, and you can get 16 and you can get 64. You cannot get the 64GB in the UAE at the moment. It will be coming soon. If you, for a bit of extra information, the PowerPoint and stuff, it's full version. You can use it exactly the same way as the full version, but some of the features on it aren't to its best, on its best form, and that is because the actual software for that doesn't come out until January, and it isn't activated properly until January, till mid-January. So yeah, you got your normal things here like your calendars and stuff, but if you're gonna do that, I recommend using this. This is another question you might have is it effectively the same as Windows 8? It is Windows 8. It is Windows 8. The only difference is this screen's touchscreen, and it should make things a lot easier. You can make it smaller and to like quickly go to something over here and just zoom in. That's easy. So yeah, Windows 8. It is Windows 8. It's Windows 8 RT, which isn't that much difference to Windows 8, but the fact that it's touchscreen and the fact that it's portable and the fact that it's actually made by Microsoft might make you want to buy it instead of to the HP or the Samsung. So they all have the same version of this, but it's not made by Windows. This, if you have this, you have the enjoyment of knowing that it's made by the company whose software it is. Inside the box you have a user manual, so if you've got any requests or anything. It's also got help on here. It's also got help if you want help with anything. It's in settings, you got help. But if you don't need help, and it's pretty simple, you can work your way around it yourself. It's a very good. I would recommend it. The only problem with it standing at the moment, it's probably not going to be for a long time, but at the moment there is very little gaming apps. Now, for those out there who are like, oh, should I get this, or should I get an iPad, or should I get a new laptop? This is in the middle. I would recommend getting one of these. Can do everything a laptop can do. Might not have as much memory, but it still has memory. You can use an internal hard drive, like this one here. You just plug it in the side with the USB. It just goes in, and it'll open it. I'll show you how it works, actually. So if you plug this in here, like this, it will recognise that it's got it plugged in my computer, hopefully. So get down to that. So it's here, so you see, touch it, and it also comes up here. So choose what happens. So you can open to view files. That's a normal thing. So these are the files I have on this here. So if I want to click on that Word document and open it, because I want to just have a look at it or edit it, I can do that because it's just like a normal computer, and it's right there. I can zoom in, which you can do, but it's not touchscreen. It's a bit more of a faff to do on a laptop. So that's that. I'm not going to faff around with ejecting it safely. So yeah, but extra storage, you can use that. What can a tablet do that this can't do? Nothing really. There's nothing a tablet can do that this can't do. This can do everything a tablet can do, and most things a laptop can do. And another outstanding problem with it is they haven't released any sort of gadgets for it, you know, like the iPad has the touch pen and things like that. All it really has at the moment is it has this keyboard, and it has a harder clicking keyboard. That is so far the only thing they've brought out for this tablet. Saying that, what more do you need? So they probably will bring out some technology for it. I'm sure they'll find something. So here you got a newsstand as well. You might be interested in. It'll come on. If you have any questions whatsoever, or you would like me to do a video, maybe without me being a little less chatty, and you just want me to get down to a point and show you how to do something, I can do it. I'm capable of doing it. So just send me a message or do a video reply, whatever you like, on YouTube, and I will do it for you. I'll make sure I do it for you. That is my promise to you. But yeah, that's everything, guys, and thanks. I hope it does help you, because that's my aim, is to help you all. If you're wondering whether to get something, or if you're wondering what other people think about it, overall, I hope you can tell that I'm quite happy with it, and I think it's a good device, and I would recommend it to anyone that comes up and asks, should I get a new laptop, or should I get a new tablet? And you know what I'd say to them? I'd say, you know what you should get? You should get a Windows Surface, because it's working really well. No problems with it. Noticeable problems for an average user. Of course, if you're going to be using it as much as you'd sometimes use a software on like an Alienware computer, then of course it's not going to be the right thing for you. Then in that case I'd get an Alienware computer, and it's got it. Depends what you're using it for. So just drop me questions and stuff. Got any queries, I'll be happy to answer. Thank you. See you later, guys.